Hi there, greetings from Tokyo, Japan. It's Sakura here. Today, I'm going to introduce a unique vending machine in Tokyo, which dispenses jelly bottles. This is the one. See what it has. Strawberry, shine mascot, and mixed fruit jelly. Mixed fruit jelly sounds interesting. I'm going to get this. It is 650 yen, about $4. Let's try. The jelly is presented in transparent containers, giving you a look at its fresh and quiet. Look, beautiful. Puru puru means jiggling. Puru puru. Puru puru. This jelly is very jiggly. It looks fresh as well. Puru puru. It is juicy. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have to go now. See you soon.